Hello, dear souls, how are you? Have a dream to live my life with you. Share each moment of my day and night with you. When my eyes open, what I wanna see the arts first as fast is you. I wonder, my dear, if this comes true ever. Ever, but if all can't happen on this earth, my dear, it does not matter. It does not matter because I know very well I may not see you all the time. I may not see you all the time, my dear. I know that. I know that. You I know that you are still mine. I may not talk to you for the days, my darling. I know that you are in the way. I may not see you for a while. You will remain my reason to smile, my baby. My baby, my darling. I may not be with you. I may not be with you beside, but I know you are there in every tight, my dear. I may not hold your hand so tight, but I know you will understand. I may not tell you this all the time, my baby. My baby, my dear, my darling. But you know that I feel with this for you, my sweet love. My love will always be with you. My love will never change for you.